Hello, welcome to Political Science 1100 this semester. My name is Scott Jackson. I will be your professor. You can call me Scott. I'm okay with that. No need to call me Professor Jackson. Just don't call me Mr. Jackson. Just something I don't like. So call me Scott. But I just want to give you a quick demonstration on how to get to the location where we will be broadcasting your videos. So we're going to be broadcasting your video, my live lectures to you over a Big Blue Button. Now, Big Blue Button is kind of an interesting medium that you will allow you to go through Canvas to connect to me immediately. Okay, so let me just show you real briefly how to do that. Okay, so this is our home screen of our political science class. Up here, it'll say either political science 1100-100 or -400, maybe -205, maybe something like that. So that's how that reads, right? So here you'll see all of the things that we'll cover the first day. We're going to talk about. There's no need to worry about that. You'll just go to conferences right here. Here, once you get to conferences, there will be a new conference that I will have started. I will have put plus conference. And under here, it'll say new conference. Right here, you will join the conference, okay? You don't have to have a camera. You don't have to do video. I would love if you did video. That would be great with me, but you don't have to. You don't have to do. I would like you to do audio. So I would like you to get a microphone of some kind. Like a lot of headsets, just that you would like earphones that you would talk on the phone with work just fine. It doesn't need to be special. You don't need to go run out and buy $50 headsets, anything like that. Just cheap little built-in headsets or little headphones that have a microphone component to it will be fine. Okay. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to message me on Canvas. Okay. I do have email. I just don't check it as often as I get Canvas messages. I get Canvas messages straight to my phone, so I know right away when you contact me. So with that said, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, free message me. You'll go in, let's just show you one more time. You'll go to home. This is what it'll look like for you. That won't be there, the instructor resources. It'll be that. You'll go down over here to conferences. There will be a new conference that will be running. For those of you that will occasionally watch a recorded conference, it will be a concluded conference and you'll watch that. It usually takes a couple hours to upload, however, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please email me. Thank you, appreciate you guys. Have a good one.